20 years of persistence. You're dedicated to getting work done every day. You push yourself to be better, to continue for more through the next project, the next job, the next task. You count on Hailin Power's concentration and innovation to be by your side each step of the way. Now's the time to start. In 1999, Hailin Power commenced its operations as an engine workshop of Fuzhou Hailin Machinery Company Limited, specializing in air-cooled diesel engines, our core product since day one. In 2001, Hailin was awarded the ISO 9001-2000 for our quality management system. Year 2003, the first air-cooled single-cylinder diesel engine from China to pass the EPA emission standard in the United States. CE certificate was awarded to us in Italy at the same year. In 2004, we relocated to Yangzhou Road, where we completed the transition from engine workshop to Fuzhou Hailin Power Company Limited. Since our initial passion in air-cooled diesel engines, we have continued to gain greater and greater reputation in this industry and expanded our manufacturing facility to 60,000 square meters in Yishu Machinery Garden. Integrating die casting, machining, manufacturing, R&D, and trading. With our products approved by ISO 9001-2015, CE 2006/42/EC, GS/TUV, Euro 5 NSAI. Hailin Power today has served hundreds of customers worldwide with passion and integrity. A great number of agricultural manufacturers have been working closely with Hailin Power by implementing engines to power their high-pressure washers, wood chippers, concrete cutters, air compressors, etc. Our management philosophy is to take things seriously and behave in a down-to-earth manner. High standards and strict requirements of spare parts supply chain, elaborately designed technology process, and customer-centric services are the foundations of Diesel Expert and the source of confidence in the high quality of Hailin Power products. Hailin Power is committed to be a trusted and valued business partner, providing reliable diesel products to our customers globally, and contributing to build a healthy and green earth by designing and manufacturing low-emission and high-performance products.
Now let me show you our gasoline engine production line. Now our step here is using this laser machine to mark the serial number at the bottom of the cylinder block. So we as a manufacturer can easily track down the serial number of each engine so as to serve customer better. I will show you the serial number here. This one is our 420 gasoline engine. Our step here is using our hydraulic pressure machine to press down the oil seal to the correct position so we can prevent any oil leakage. After water extending the tank that we use the machine to use oil to re-lubricate the engine block and the crankset so we can better protect the engine block afterwards. As you can see here, at each station of our production line, we put LED display here. We put the corresponding work instruction so our worker can refer to when necessary. So we can make sure each and every single one of our products can fit with our quality standards. Now we are using 7 pieces inner-software cover machine to assemble the crankcase cover. So we can make sure every single door has the exactly right hole, so we can avoid any human error, so the quality can be ensured for our customers. Now we have another ankle and toe machine here. We use to assemble cylinder head. Okay, now we use this machine to adjust the TDC of the gasoline engine. So the engine will have a more accuracy valve clearance, and then it will have a better performance when they are operating in the field. What you are looking right now is our engine testing room, and you can see in our previous video, our assembly line on the testing room are very modern and advanced. It is better than the common assembly line in other factories. We tested all our engines before we deliver to our customers. We place one single parameter detector with our quality standard. We will alert our inspector and we will retract engines. As you can see right now, we use dyno to test our engines. This one is for 420cc engine and 460cc engine. This one is for 210cc and 125cc gasoline engines. And now our inspector is 220 engines right now. Now we arrived at our gasoline genset production line. Our daily production capacity is around 800 units. Come on, let's see our gasoline generator testing room. Right now we are testing our 3-kilowatt gasoline generator. We will test at 25%, 50%, 70%, and 100% full load. We will test each generator around 10 minutes to ensure the quality. Now we are performing high voltage insulation test on our alternator. Hello, we are at our CNC machining center. At this location, besides producing our own spare parts like engine blocks, crankcase cover, we also produce water pump, alternator housing, automobile for Honda, Hitachi, and Fuji. Come along, I'll show you the one machine we are working on. This one we are machining crankcase cover. Come inside. Our robot is producing spare parts for Honda. Okay, come this way. We have another robot working right now. die casting workshop, which we are very proud of. This one you are looking right now is a mini die casting machine, 1,600 pounds. We use two die cast engine block and crankcase cover for our single-cylinder and double-cylinder diesel engine. This model die casting machine is currently die casting spare parts for automobiles. This aluminum is from the supplier, which is specified by Honda.